So guys, I won't buy. Say my fake we buy attachment for here. I take do greater hair. I don't know. I just reason this color. Anyway, they get different color for here, sure. But I don't just know the one to choose. Also, for a video, you also know YouTuber.
Ah, sì?
See, Rejoice, okay.
No, non fare.
Io non video a te solo.
Ah?
Io non video a te, tu a fascia no.
No, solo fare cosa quello di
Questo quanto?
3,50. Quello che ho io togliere, quello si chiama. Solo fare quello.
The reason to take this color. Oh, scusa papà, scusa. Leave there. Everything they touch.
Dai che stiamo regalando, signorine! Dai, dai, scegliere!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, so I go for I go for appointments this morning. Great, I live there now. So as I come finish from there, so I come branch a market. Okay, when you carry me go market na attachment, because I want make greater hair. Okay, so yeah, my daughter they go primary 1 by September. Yay! Guys, I'm so happy. Oh my God. Hey, I can't believe it. I don't feel believe it. Hey, God. Guys, my pikin they go primary 1. My first fruit. Time they fly, our children they grow. Hey God, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. So I can go back. Attachment. Now make me be branch. Yeah, I can't end up they buy what they not sent me. You know, we may you say you want to buy one thing. The next thing before you know, you don't buy everything. Everywhere don't full. Yeah. Yeah, not just open market, okay? Not just small market. You just dey near here I for go for my appointment. That's okay. Now I just branch there. Yeah. So I can buy this attachment too. Yeah, but I will use one for Rejoice. I will use one for Greater. Then I can buy this smoothie. I don't know. I feel later change my mind. Greater live there. I feel later change my mind. Use this one for Greater, but I never know. Maybe now this one attachment I will use. I never know sharp. But I can buy this one. Yeah. guys, I can't still buy this chair. Guys, this chair now, Rejoice now buying for. Greta, stop now. Let me talk. This chair, Rejoice now buying for. Guys, I don't know whether now they hear her voice for the background. Rejoice they cry because of this chair. So as I don't buy this house now, I wish I never able test her for check her. The chair, once you sit down, put the chair they make noise. I don't know whether now they hear her. Okay, I don't know whether now they hear her. Like ping. As we reach house, I can't make Rejoice sit down. As Rejoice just sit down, put the chair make noise. Just run. Up till now, if Rejoice just see this chair, go dey cry. As he just see it, I go hide down since I come back. So as I want to make this video, not take carry am come back. As he just see the chair, now he run enter inside their room. Shebi na dey hear her voice. I don't know the chair. I don't know I want one now. Rejoice dey fear oh because say the chair dey make noise. He's so cute. So I be buying for her before. Anyway. So I come buy this 2 towel. Okay? It's new one, a new one. So now Ryan I tear the carton. The carton dey ground there. Now I tear the carton from this one. So now this one on my own, my towel don't hold. Don't leave the chest, don't break it. So my towel don't hold. Then I come buy 1 towel. This one are for me. I come buy this one for Greta. Yeah. Guys, so guys, I better than say now attachment carry me go there. At the end, I come end up enter inside market, they buy what they don't send me. So this one shall I buy it for Ryan? Fine. For Ryan Polo. 2 with this white. It's so cute, guys, and it's cheap. Let me buy it 2 euros. It's so cheap and affordable. Yeah. So guys, this is Greta own. Then I come buy this cute gown for Greta. Oh my god, this gown is so cute. Hold on, let's see. It's so cute. I guess this is not the front. Okay, this is not the front. This is the front, guys. It's so cute. Yeah. Then I come buy this one too for Greta. You guys know it's summertime. Then I come buy this trouser too for Greta. This 3/4 palazzo. This so. Then I come still buy this cute leggings for Greta. It's so beautiful. So fine, so cute. Yeah. I saw 3 pairs for Greta, for Ryan. Yeah. Ryan, leave there. So guys, I can still buy this trouser for Greta. He's so cute. Oh my god, so cute. He's so cute. So cute, guys. So beautiful. Yeah, they stretch. Will size her. Yeah. Then I come buy this top for Greta. So beautiful. Then I come buy this gown for Greta. Oh my god, this gown is so fine, guys. It's so cute. So this now pants for Ryan and Greta. Yeah, most of their pants don't hold, so I just buy some few pants for them. Ooh, so cute. So cute. Greta fat. Greta. So beautiful. So cute. They are so beautiful. Yeah. So now Ryan. So fine. The Ryan. Greater. Now greater how many pass for the pants. I don't say greater get big nyash. This one is so cute. Oh my god. The material, so fine. So greater, so cute. Son of Ryan. So yeah guys, these are the things that I got. Ryan sit down, put us in make noise. Ryan run. Ryan not going to sit down again. Greta! Greta, come! Nobody going to sit down for this chair. Greta, come! So let me see if Greta will fear. Greta, come! Come. Sit down. Sit down. Are you guys hearing it? It make noise. Press it again. Press it again. It not make noise again. I wish that noise go fit joy even spoil now for joy. The noise come like say they reduce. I wish the noise go fit joy even stop now make it even spoil like for joy like am. Cause this one they come they fear to sit down and rejoice and buy. So guys, I will end this video here. Hope so now enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay. In my next one. Bye.